Hi all, Ziv from Elementor here. Today I'll show you how you can easily use the Layers theme with Elementor. Layers and Elementor seamlessly integrate with each other, enabling a smooth and quick workflow. To start off, let's download the Layers theme. So go to the Layers website, layerswp.com, and download the theme. It's free. Next, we want to install the theme on our site. So go to Appearance, Themes, and Add New Theme. Click to upload a theme, and choose the zip file you've just downloaded from the Layers' website. Once it's done uploading, click to activate the theme. Now you see the welcome screen. So click to get started, and fill in the fields with your details. Click Next Step. Here you can choose if you want to create a starter blog page. Here you can choose a logo, but don't worry, you can do this later as well. Now click on Install Elementor and activate. If you want to go ahead and start creating your pages, click Add New Page and check out the tutorial in the description on how to create a new page with Elementor. Let's go over the WordPress customizer and explore the options that come built in with the Layers theme. And to be more precise, I'm referring to the header and footer customizer options as well as the blog. So under Appearance, click Customize and go ahead and click on Header and Styling. As you can see, you have different header layouts: logo left, right, center, and more. Here you can choose if your header is boxed or full width. You can set your header to be sticky and add a transparent overlay if you wish. There are a few more options to play with, and make sure you do, but for now, let's move on to the menu styling settings. Here you can choose your header text color, text transform, spacing, hover styling, and more. So play around with the settings until you get something you like. Moving on to the footer styling. Again, you can choose between boxed and full width. Divide your footer up to 4 areas, change the copyright text, and more. Under Blog, you'll find 3 tabs: Styling, Archive, and Post and Pages. In Styling, you can change the blog colors. And under Archive, you can change many settings such as displaying your featured image, date, author, categories, tags, and more. And under Posts and Pages, you can set the post meta such as featured image, date, author, categories, and tags. Combining the power of Layers themes and Elementor gives you better control over your website, from headers and footers to your homepage and more. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tutorials. See you later!